Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to recover Gmail account password. So let's get started. First of all, open up gmail.com. Now here you have to type an email address which you want to recover. After typing Gmail address, now you have to click on next. After clicking on next, now you don't know the password because you want to recover it. So tap on forgot password. Now Gmail will send you the recovery code to this email, or you can try this by another methods. Now Gmail will send you email address through this email. After typing the code which Gmail provide you, click on next. Now it will redirect you to allow a permission from your device. After allowing from your device, click on continue. And here it is. Now you can recover your Gmail account. Now you have seen that how we can recover our Gmail account password. So I hope this methods find you well. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.